we haven't really even hinged it at that point there yet, have we?
Oh wow.
So you've got your maximum width there.
Mm-hmm.
So here you've hinged so much earlier. Down here and here. A lot less, isn't it? Which is why you keep going up. You keep going up
Until I feel the set.
until you feel the set. Yep. But it's just got there too late. So if we look at this one on here, so we get to the original.
Look how much that trail wrist sets quick. Wow.
So you're in a far superior position, aren't you? Wrist hinged through there. And now when you come down, you've still got a lot more lag, don't you?
Yep.
Coming down. So you still got that angle coming down. You still have some angle here too, but it's not quite the same because you've lost it through that part. You lost it through here. It's all through the hitting through that part there, haven't you?
Yeah.
Whereas this one here, it's longer. Okay.
Well, look how much I've dropped from
Exactly, yeah. Much better through the ball, isn't it?
Yep.
Looks good, doesn't it?
That's amazing. Just the wrist set is a precursor to the whole
Whole lot.
It just
Beautiful.
looks so much better.